Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Albior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my video.
So ito na guys, ang ating cream cheese leche flan. Yehey! So alam niyo guys, ang hirap mag-perfect ng leche flan. But, try and try guys until
Hello guys! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Welcome back guys sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Albior. So, it's Burr months guys, and pagka Burr months, malapit na or nalalapit na guys ang Christmas and susunod na ang New Year. Kaya naman, once in a while, mag-share ako sa inyo ng mga recipes na pwede nating maihanda this coming Christmas and New Year sa ating Noche Buena and Media Noche. Okay? So, handa na ba kayo guys? Of course, handang-handa na. So, for today, ang i-share ko sa inyo is a dessert recipe na it is common and loved by everybody, and ito ay ang leche flan. Oo guys, napakasarap ng leche flan. We have own version and may kanya-kanya rin tayong mga negosyo or business out of leche flan. Ang i-share ko sa inyo guys is not an ordinary leche flan because lalagyan natin ng cream cheese. Kaya tatawagin ko ang aking recipe na cream cheese leche flan. So marami na pong nakakagawa nito, but sana po sa mga gustong matuto na hindi pa po na-try, tara, samahan nyo ulit ako sa aking journey of cooking para sabay-sabay nating tikmang ang ating yummy leche flan. And sa mga nakagawa na rin po ito, samahan niyo pa rin po ako, and as I always mention, to guide me through until the end of this recipe. Okay? So, ang mga ingredients po sa ating leche flan ay makikita on the description box below. Okay? So, ito guys, ang mga ingredients natin. So, meron tayong evaporated milk. So, ito yung small can lang guys. And then, of course, meron tayong 1 can of condensed milk. And then, meron tayong cream cheese. So, yung cream cheese ko guys is half bar lang siya. Okay? And then, of course, meron tayong 8 egg yolks. And, of course, 1 cup sugar. So, you can use yung white one or yung brown sugar. And, of course, meron tayong 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So, wala akong vanilla syrup, kaya an alternate guys is you can use lemon, but I always put lemon on my leche flan. Okay, so let's start how to prepare our yummy dessert. Okay guys, so ang ating first step is to caramelize our sugar. Ayan. So, 1 cup of sugar. So, hayaan lang nating mag-melt ang ating sugar until maging golden brown. So, okay na guys ang ating caramelized sugar. So, ilagay na natin siya sa ating molder or baking pan. So, ito yung gagamitin ko guys. Ayan. So, rectangle 1. So, gagamit ako ng strainer para make sure na kung may mga buo-buo guys sa ating caramelized sugar, hindi masama. Ayan. Ayan. And yung mga leek, punasan na lang natin guys, okay? So, punasan nyo na habang mainit pa para hindi na siya dumikit. Okay? Para mas maganda sa, of course, presentation. Okay? So, next step is, of course, let's prepare our mixture. Okay guys, so let's start our mixture. So, gagamit ako guys ng electric mixer.
Pero kung wala kang electric mixer, okay lang din guys. You can use yung whisk, manual. Okay, so first, let's put our cream cheese. Then, melt lang natin ang ating cream cheese. Okay guys, then let's put our egg yolk. So, siguro 2 egg yolk at a time. Ayan. Okay guys, and then let's put our condensed milk. And then our small can of evaporated milk. And then lastly, our 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then mix well again. Okay guys, so wala akong malaking steamer kaya i-bake natin ang ating leche flan, okay? So sa ating baking tray, maglagay ako guys ng water and then meron akong konting rack. Mas maganda kasi kung ang leche flan natin ay elevated sa ating baking pan with water. So bakit nga ba nilalagyan ng water? Ang isang reason guys is para ma-prevent ang ating custard or leche flan for cracking. Kaya mas maganda guys na or suggest na lagyan nyo siya ng water. Ayan. Okay? So lalagay na natin guys. Na-preheat ko na yung oven. And make sure guys na cover ang ating leche flan with, okay? So kahit ipapaibabaw lang natin ang ating aluminum foil. Yan. Okay, so let's put sa oven guys and let's bake for about 45 minutes and 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, so see you in a bit guys. Okay guys, so let's bake our leche flan. So ito na siya guys. Yan. So let's cool down and then chill sa ref. And then after that, it's tasting time. Let's see the result. So ito na guys ang ating cream cheese leche flan. Yay! So alam nyo guys, ang hirap ma-perfect ng leche flan. But try and try guys until getting better. Okay? So sa mold pa lang, sa molder, dun sa pag-bake o sa pag-steam. Pero okay lang yan kahit hindi ganong maganda yung presentation niya. Ang importante, masarap. Yan. Okay guys, so let's slice and it's tasting time. Okay guys, so let's taste our leche flan. Alam nyo guys, melts in your mouth talaga. And hindi siya malansa guys. And napaka-creamy and malalasahan mo din yung cream cheese. So, much better sa akin guys, na yung leche flan, lagyan natin ng cream cheese as an alternate guys sa ating ordinary leche flan. I-level up natin. Sarap. Very soft.
Makikita nyo pa lang guys sa loob niya. Galing. Amin. Hindi din siya ganong matamis. Kasi nga, hindi ako ganong fan ng matamis pagdating sa dessert. Okay? So, sakto po yung ingredients natin. Okay? Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Sana po matry nyo din ang ating version ng leche flan, ang ating cream cheese leche flan, and let me know po kung ano naging result ng ginawa nyong leche flan, and gawin nyo na guys para nga in preparation for this coming Noche Buena and Media Noche. And pwede rin itong panregalo guys, kaya i-perfect nyo na. Kung hindi man perfect, gawin nyo better than the first try, okay? So, sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Joyce Albior, and sana po, patuloy niyo po akong supportahan sa YouTube channel ko, okay? So, bye for now. I love you all guys. Thank you.